Welcome back to Auto Buzz TV, your go-to channel for the latest, most exciting updates in the auto world. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a ride. Today, we're diving into something truly unique, the 2025 RV Camper Tricycle. That's right, a three-wheeled camper that's turning heads and redefining what it means to travel light, smart, and sustainable. At first glance, the 2025 RV Camper Tricycle might seem like a concept vehicle out of a sci-fi movie, but it's very real and ready to roll. Designed with minimalism and eco-conscious living in mind, this innovative machine combines the freedom of cycling with the comfort of a micro RV, all packed into a sleek, futuristic trike. Powered by a hybrid electric motor, the tricycle offers pedal assist for those looking to get a workout, or full electric mode for longer journeys and uphill climbs. With a top speed of around 28 miles per hour, it's perfect for cruising through city streets, back roads, or scenic campgrounds. But what really makes this trike stand out is the camper module. Despite its compact frame, it features a fully enclosed cabin that transforms into a cozy living space. Inside, you'll find a fold-out bed, a compact kitchenette with a sink and electric stove, built-in storage compartments, and even solar panels on the roof for off-grid power. Some models even include a pop-up roof for extra headroom and ventilation. The exterior is crafted from lightweight, durable materials, making it both aerodynamic and weather-resistant. Large side windows and a skylight bring in natural light, creating an open, airy feel despite the small footprint. One of the biggest highlights of the 2025 RV Camper Trike is its eco-friendly design. With zero emissions in electric mode and sustainable materials used throughout the build, it's perfect for travelers who want to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing comfort. Ideal for solo travelers, digital nomads, or adventurous couples, this trike is built for freedom. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip or a weekend escape into nature, the 2025 model proves that big adventures can come in small, efficient packages. And let's not forget, maneuverability and parking are a breeze. Unlike traditional RVs, this camper trike can fit into tight spaces and is even legal in most bike lanes and paths, depending on local regulations. That means more access, less hassle, and a whole new way to explore the open road. So, is the 2025 RV Camper Tricycle the future of mobile living? It just might be. With its compact design, sustainable tech, and surprising comfort, it's a game changer for those who crave adventure without the bulk of a full-size RV. That's it for today's episode. If you enjoyed this look at the 2025 RV Camper Trike, give us a like, leave a comment with your thoughts, and tell us, would you take this on your next road trip? Don't forget to subscribe to Auto Buzz TV for more awesome reviews and futuristic rides. Until next time, keep exploring and keep riding smart.